host this lovely winter evening in Gujarat, and I'd like to extend a very warm welcome to each and every one of you to this special inaugural session of the second edition of Global Bird Watchers Conference 2012. Gujarat Tourism last year took a commendable step and decided to promote this state as a bird watching destination to the entire world. And after a huge success of last year's conference at Jamnagar, we are back again this year at Ahmedabad with the second edition, with more participation and more enthusiasm. And I'm sure all of you are excited to get this evening started. So first, let me extend a very warm welcome to all of you and also to all our dignitaries right here on the dais. Mr. Jain Narayan Vyas, Honorable Minister Tourism, Government of Gujarat. Please welcome him with a round of applause. Also joining him on the dais, Mr. Vipul Mitra, IAS, Principal Secretary Tourism, Government of Gujarat. Mr. Sunil Parekh, Executive Council Member, FICCI, Gujarat State Council. And Mr. Sanjay Kaul, IAS, Managing Director and Commissioner, Tourism Corporation of Gujarat Limited. Also a warm welcome to all our dear guests and friends from the media. Well, to begin this evening's proceedings, please help me welcome on the mic Mr. Sunil Parekh, Executive Council Member, FICCI Gujarat State Council, to come and welcome all of you personally. Please welcome him. The last few years promoting different areas and different fields. And Gujarat State today, because of the bird conference happening in Ahmedabad today, is probably the only state, not only in India, but also in the entire world to have taken up this initiative. That definitely calls for an applause. Well, like in Hindu tradition, every auspicious occasion is begun by offering prayers to the Almighty, by seeking His blessings. So may I please request our dignitaries to kindly step forward and light the lamp and seek the blessings of the Almighty. Well, as he mentioned, Gujarat tourism has been successful not only because of its great campaign and the efforts of the government, but also because people have been so involved with it. I think word of mouth today works as a brilliant tool of spreading message. So when you hear from your friends and family about a new facet of Gujarat being explored, you want to come forward and experience that too. So I'm sure most of you are here because you've heard splendid things about Gujarat from your neighbor, your friend, or someone very dear to you. And in time to come, I'm sure Gujarat will probably be the best state where it comes to tourism in the coming years. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome on stage Dr. Raju Kasambe from Bombay Natural History Society. May I please request him to come forward and do a small presentation on important bird areas in Gujarat as declared by BirdLife and BNHS and also their importance. Please welcome him with a round of applause. Now that you found out the key areas to go birding and also the endangered species that you can capture and add to your collection and write about. Well, we now move into a very special segment of this evening where we would be giving away the prizes to the winners of the photography competition. But before that, may I please call on stage Dr. Bharat Jetwa, member of jury, to kindly come up and throw some light on this photography competition that was on some time ago. Please welcome him with a round of applause. Well, let's begin with the first category of prizes this evening, which is the animal bird portraits. The first prize goes to Mr. Gurdas, whose winning photograph has the caption, Chestnut-Headed Bee-Eater Family. Well, he's not here with us in person, but we definitely will give him a round of applause for his winning photograph. The second prize goes to Mr. Kalyan Shah. The winning photograph has the caption, Bird at Thol, and this was taken at the Thol Lake. He's here with us. Please welcome him. Huge round of applause. And may I please request Mr. Jain Narayan Vyas ji to do the honors and give away the prize. We move on to the second category, which was the wildlife nature. The first prize goes to Santanu Nandi, whose winning photograph has the caption, Magical LRK at Sunset. This was taken at the Little Run of Kutch. He's here with us, and we're expecting him on the stage any moment now. May I please request her once again to do the honors and give away the prize? Second prize in this category goes to IP Bopanna, whose photograph caption is Gold cold glare which was taken at the Kutch. She's not here with us this evening, but the photograph definitely deserves a round of applause. Moving on to the third category, which is the weather. The first prize goes to Vishnupriya Kolipakam, who had sent in the entry all the way from Netherlands, which was an online photography competition. And her caption says, "Shades of Grey." This picture was taken at the Kutch. She's also not here with us. The second prize in this category goes to Bhagirath Dave, who's also not here with us, but his caption and the winning photograph says, "Come and enjoy real monsoon in Saputara." This was taken at Saputara, Gujarat's own hill station. We move on to the fourth category, which is landscapes and seascapes. The first prize in this category goes to Manan Shuk. The second prize in this category goes to Bhagirath Dave, who's also not here with us, but his caption and the winning photograph says, "Come and enjoy real monsoon in Saputara." Saputara, Gujarat's own hill station. The second prize winner in this category is also here with us, and the second prize goes to Mr. Pritesh Nandvikar. The caption of his winning photograph is "Moon Effect, Low Tide at Pirotan Island," and this was taken at Pirotan Island. Please congratulate him with a round of applause. Mr. Jetwad mentioned that there were not qualified entries in the cityscapes category, so we are not giving away prizes for that. But there is a very good news for all the prize winners who are present here. Well, all of you are getting complimentary 2-day and 1-night stay at the Run Riders Safari, Dasada, Little Run of Kutch. Let's take the evening forward, and may I please call on stage Mr. Jainarayan Vyasji, Honorable Minister Tourism, Government of Gujarat. So kindly come up and say a few words on this occasion. Let's move on. May I please call upon stage Mr. Sanjay Kaul, IAS, Managing Director and Commissioner, Tourism Corporation of Gujarat Limited. Sir, please come and present a vote of thanks.